I just got in my car and I see this in my window. What are you trying to say? My car ain't junk?
Fetch me their soul!
What's up everyone, CryptClaw here. Welcome back to the channel. We'll be going to Home Depot to find the metal pieces we need. I'll be showing you where exactly what location in the store we can find them in and price. And then from there, we'll look at the gloves, but I'd rather get gloves from Harbor Freight. So we'll take a look on there after if I don't see any gloves at Home Depot. Alright, so you're gonna find these on the electrical side. Here at Home Depot. It's flex, half-inch. So it's located like these. You wanna make sure you can get these, not anything smaller or bigger. And they go for $2.15. So, I'll open a new box for them. I got them. This will do. Time to look at gloves. Oh! A lot of gloves, but not the type we need or I like to use. I prefer having the Velcro facing the palm area, not above the hand. So I guess we're gonna have to go to Harbor Freight. Okay, so in the end it's about almost 50, 49.78, but I bought 20 instead of 10. So I'm planning to make 2 gloves. Yeah, so time to go to Harbor Freight. Like I saw, there weren't a good amount of gloves in the style that I'm comfortable with. So, Harbor Freight, let's go. Alright, let's take a quick detour and check out for shoes that we can use to slide with. I didn't record filming the new shoes I made. I just needed to get them done so I could practice on them. So, now I'm actually gonna film how to make slider shoes. We're gonna go to Ross. The shoes are cheap there, but it's very like good quality shoes as well. So don't talk down on Ross when you get shoes there because they're like almost like half the price off. Hurry, lady! Trying to get some shoes. So we just got here to the Harbor Freight location. We're gonna get the gloves right now, and then we'll be heading back home to work on this. So yeah, I'm gonna just ruin my shot. I'm just kidding. All right, so here we go. Oh man, I'm at the turn of terror. Ah! So we're finally back at the house and gonna work on those gloves. Like, I wanted to do them that same day, but now we're 4 days since, or 3 days. So we got our pucks that we're gonna put on the glove. But first, what we're gonna do is get these bags open. Alright, so once you open them, you'll see 2 screws. They're normally already loose, so you can just loosen them yourself. Sometimes some of them are tight, but they're not that tight that you need the screwdriver. This is the main piece that we need. If the box is empty at the Home Depot, just take it and use it for your trash. So set that there. Okay. And then from here, we're gonna use the pliers to break this off. You just bend it. Voila. You might leave a little piece. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Just based off your pliers. You can bend it more if you want. Best bend it more this way. Okay, and then these two other parts, the little wings where the screws were, just that's how you do it. Just bend your hand, bend it up. Voila. Easy for the finger. See? Then it's perfect for the finger. We're going to repeat this process for the other 9. And here we go. Alright, now it's time to glue these bad boys into these gloves. But I don't want to ruin this table, so give me 1 second. Alright, so got this board so I could put the glue within the finger and it won't have to mess up the table. My first time using the E6000 with the black goo, ink, glue, whatever you call it. So here goes nothing. What I like to do, sometimes I like to fit like which one will be the best one on which finger, because sometimes the flaps don't get bent correctly. So okay. Alright, so we're gonna wait for them to dry, and I guess I'll test them tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. The shoe part, we'll take care of that right now. Alright, we're sitting down now. It's time for the shoes. So the shoes should look like this in the end. Don't expect it to look clean. Yeah, I got these shoes at Ross, RBK, I'm not sure, RBX actually. I think it's Reeboks. Is it Reeboks? I'm not too familiar with logos, but cross trainer shoes. The past 2 years I used boots and they got pretty tiring, so I'm like excited to use this type of shoe this season. So let's get to it. Alright, that is it for the video, guys. You saw how the gloves were made, how the shoes were made. So hope you enjoyed this. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to check out the links below. Follow me on my Instagram at CryptClaw, and check out the merch. Actually, check out the merch. You don't have to follow my other account. It's not gonna be on the description anymore, so check out my merch. It was fun creating that, and it'll mean a lot. It will support the channel. Thank you. We'll see you guys next time.
Hello.